loving the way you guys look. Who the fuck are you?
Well, we are Gay Bash.
Gay Bash?
Yeah.
What? Let me get out of here. I don't want.
You're in danger, girl. Molly, get out of here.
Why the name Gay Bash?
Because we're owning that. We've all been gay bashed before growing up. I grew up in Texas, so fuck that. I'm going to take it back. It's mine.
So how do you gay bash somebody?
By looking like this. I give them nightmares, honey.
I do feel a little assaulted right now, but you guys all look fabulous. What is going on with your eyeball?
I tried to put on some highlighter with a hacksaw. I just wanted it to get really in there.
Are you like a drag collective?
Yeah, we have our own drag show every third Saturday at Trade in Washington, D.C.
Oh, in Washington, D.C. So Washington, D.C. can be a very conservative place. A lot of like button-down shirts, polo collars, lots of constipated queens. And so you guys just kind of beat the shit out of that scene?
Absolutely. I mean, we're all very, very boring. You know, we left our button-up shirts and ties at the hotel. You know, we
Neatly hung.
Yeah, we just try to create a sanctuary for all the queerdos. There are a lot of weirdos in DC, you know, and they don't know where to go. So Trade, you know, provided them with a home, and then we're their monthly show where they can just let loose.
What is going on down here?
It's representing my wonderful city and the attitude of our wonderful city against this motherfucker.
Yeah, fuck that fucker.
Fuck that fucker.
You guys all did you all jizz in that thing? Can I get? Whoa, lobster head.
Hello.
What's your name?
Salvadora Dali. Not a fake woman, it's just surreal.
Not a fake woman, just surreal. That's a good catch line. I do like that. Can I get a tour of your booth? Show me what's happening here. Who wants to do it?
Well, go ahead.
So we've got, first off, our backdrop. You know, there's the four of us. Then there's Summer Camp and Pussy Noir, two other queens that perform quite a bit at Trade. We wanted to give them some representation here. This is, you know, Gay Bash is the party. There's the logo. We've got, you know, prints, some of the girls' shirts, my band Homo Superior over there. And then, you know, we wanted to push the table out of the way, make it kind of a little sanctuary, just like the bar, so people can rest whenever things get a little too crowded. Yeah, a little nudity, it's fine.
Little blue lobster, just lobster, cock lobster, they call it.
Cock lobster, if you will. Come on, lady cock.
What's your favorite part about the booth?
About the booth? I can't say it on the mic.
Why not? Say it in my ear.
The whiskey under the table.
Ooh, party. You know you're not allowed to have that here.
Who's gonna tell?
I certainly won't. Well, I want to come to DC and check out Gay Bash, that's for sure. Come on in here, girls. Listen, we have a Kickstarter right now for our web series, Cooking with Drag Queens, and I know some of you have watched it.
Yeah.
Yes. Which one of you likes to eat the most, or likes to cook the most?
I like to cook.
James got the highest metabolism, but I can go to a buffet and really fuck them up. So.
What do you like to cook?
Everything. I don't know. I can't think of it.
What's your go-to thing when you have a friend coming over for dinner and you're like, oh shit, I have to put something together?
Play in the world.
I don't make that. I just prepare that.
So you like to cut sausages?
I like them pre-cut.
Pre-cut sausages. So right now we have we are doing a Kickstarter for cookingwithdragqueens.com. Can I get you guys to pledge $1 among the four of you? It's only $0.25 each.
Yeah,
absolutely.
Okay, and you do that at cookingwithdragqueens.com.
Cookingwithdragqueens.com.
Got it.
Not com, a com.
.com. And then you can come. Awesome. Thank you guys, girls, ladies, whatever's happening here. I don't know. Thank you.
I'm Salvadora Dali. We're here with Gay Bash and Trade from DC. And we're here to tell you guys to go on cookingwithdragqueens.com and raise some money for an awesome cooking drag show. I personally love a good tranny salad. All the trans girls have the best salad recipes. Eat one, you don't have to do your hormones anymore. It's amazing. So my personal favorite salad recipe is anything with a lot of olives in it because they're an aphrodisiac. So go to cookingwithdragqueens.com and make sure you donate so you can see the show happen.